extremism bear different names and labels. It uses diverse causes, but in each case, it is driven by distortion of religion and a misguided belief in its power to succeed. The fight against terrorism is not a confrontation against any religion. It cannot be. Just as Islam literally means peace, none of the 99 names of Allah mean violence. Similarly, every region in the world stands for peace, compassion, and brotherhood. There is a verse in the Holy Quran which says, La ikra fi ad-din. Let there be no compulsion in religion. There is another surah, Al-Hujurat, which says, O mankind, we created you from a single pair of male and female, and made you into nations and tribes, so that you may know one another, not that you may despise one another. Similarly, the same message was given by the founder, Guru of Sikhism, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, when he says, and I quote, Awwal Allah noor upaya, kudrat ke sab bande, ek noor te sab jag upjya, kaun pale ko mande. This means, first Allah created light. Then, by His creative power, He made all mortal beings. From that one light, the entire world came into being. So who is good and who is bad? Your Highness and Excellencies, India has always embraced and found it easy to embrace pluralism, since it is embedded in the oldest Sanskrit religious text, the Rig Veda, and I quote, Ekam sadvipra bahuda vadanti, which means, God is one, but learned men describe Him in many ways.